So I am heading to the gym, guys. It is currently Thursday. It feels like it's 15 degrees outside, but I think it's 30. Different. It's early, y'all. I have class at 2:50, so I'm ready to go work out. I've been needing to lose some weight anyway, so I'm trying to make my day productive. And I can already see there's nobody really in there. So we are going to the gym. I got my AirPods. It's so cold. You know, it's important to be healthy. I know. I said I was gonna start when I came back, but I got so sick. But I've really been, now or never. You're never too late. So we are gonna do some stretches. I'm gonna go do a jog, some squats. This is what it looks like in here, guys. This is the weight part. I'm going upstairs because I had to stretch first. It's a beautiful gym. This is called the Hyper, and I will be over there. I gotta stretch first, so yeah. So I will be running up in here for like 15 minutes, so if that stretch felt good. I walk and then I run. So this is it, guys. I'm working out up in here, guys. So. So I am heading back to my dorm. Guys, I did not know I was in there for 52 minutes. Oh my God, I was working out. Count 2 of those minutes off because I was talking to my friend. I saw my friend there, so we was chatting it up. Now we're gonna be working out together, so that's always fun. So I did a lot of stuff. I ended with weights. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna try to put this rack up. Look at this. My mom, I swear to God. She was like, this is the one you put in the cart, but she couldn't find one really simple. Look at this. Oh, God. I'm about to cry. I really want this up. It's a gold rack. I wanted it for my blazers because I need to hang them up, but it's so much. So I have like 3 hours left before class. So I'm gonna try to attempt to put this together, guys. So let's just see what we can do. So I have finished this part. I'm so happy. This actually wasn't that bad. What the heck? I think just looking at nails just intimidate me. But I have finished the base of it, and we are gonna finish this. This is so much. So guys, I have finally finished it. Look at this. I'm gonna put my jackets on here. Oh, this is really nice. So it took probably in total, probably like an hour, less than an hour. I still have stuff left, and I'm wondering why. I used everything, so I'm pretty sure this is like actually supposed to be extra. I have no other parts left, so we'll make sure. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure it's extra. I did everything, following the steps. It was actually easier than I thought. I think the stuff just freaked me out. But this looks really nice. Oh my god, it's gonna be behind my door because I'm gonna put my blazers on it. Now I gotta go home and get my hangers. Okay, this is the full thing. This is amazing. It actually turned out way better than I thought. So I put everything together. I've got my blazers on here. I just didn't want them in the closet because I got a lot of stuff I still need to hang up. That's what's under my bed. This was one thing that was under my bed. So now I'm finally putting this stuff together because I had to clean my dorm up. And I'm gonna try to get all this stuff out of the boxes and fix it. But this is so pretty. And now I need to get some more chunky boots because my heels can't go at the bottom because it's too much of a wide part. But my boots can. So that's even better. And I got my cute little shirts on here too. So just the stuff that I live my favorites. Obviously the favorites. I might wear this tomorrow. I might actually wear this tomorrow. I love this blazer. Love this so much. So yeah, turned out well. It only took like less than an hour. I'm happy. I had time. Like I got like an hour before class. I got like almost 2 hours. So perfect timing just to give me something to do. Love how it turned out. So yeah. Now I'm heading to class, guys. My African art class. I'm so tired. I just want to go to sleep. I was trying to relax, but I ended up just going to the gym. And you know, I did the shelf. When I come back, I will straighten my room up. Try to unbox some more stuff because I got a lot of stuff in there, and it's just because there's a lot of stuff in the box. So I'm gonna do that. And I got my mask on because it's cold, and I'm not trying to get sick no more. So yeah, I'm about to get this class over with, y'all. I'm so tired. Okay guys, it's kind of like doing a second tour because I changed a lot of stuff in here. So I wanted to go on the show because I wanted to show the rack. So let me first start off with my desk. It's a lot of stuff over here, I know, but I need everything. It looked crazy back here, but they're just in containers. It's just because I really should put some in the bottom one, but I have my whole makeup pack up in there. So it's just like a lot of stuff in here. Legit, my wallet, lashes. Stuff I use every day. It's just like when I need something that's quick to go find it, I just get in here. So don't let that fool you. It's a lot of stuff, but it's really just big stuff. I need everything up in here. And like I said, it's stuff at it's only one thing in the bottom, but it's a big old makeup case that's filling up the whole thing. So it's really not that bad when you think about it. Long story short, how about that? So over here, I took some of my stuff out of my boxes, which are just my books that I read. This is my Lucy book, which is just my I got from Anthropology, and I ended up really liking this. So I got it for Christmas. Stuff. Love this lamp. I got that from, I don't know where my mom got this from, but I love case lamps, so she gave me that one. Or bought me that one. All my makeup palettes and stuff up in here. journals and stuff. I use every last one of these. They're almost full, which I know I have to get another one soon. Makeup, my globe, just on the areas up in here. I guess kind of dark up in here too. I just didn't want to open the window. But let me see, because I like the coziness feel in here. Yeah, see, light will really ruin it. So yeah, we're gonna shut that. So the rack, I put up the rack over here, guys. Let me see. I'm gonna open the window for this though. So I absolutely love this rack. Y'all, it took me over like probably an hour, less than an hour, probably 50 minutes, an hour basically, to put this together, and it was not hard at all. I had in the video you saw, I had the, just like unscrew some stuff because it was like the wrong way, but it turned out perfectly. You can't put heels on this because it's too, like wide, so I put my chunky boots on it, which turned out really good. I just put my dress on here. I love this leopard dress and my blazers, which is what I wanted. And that turned out perfectly. So I really love this rack. So also y'all will see I got my board up here now. I got that up here. I got my, just my regular pictures. I finally put this up here. This was sitting by the trash can over here just because I didn't know where to put it. But I got it up there now. Central Park Friends. There we go. Okay, over here, let me shut the window. Oh, I put lights up here a little bit, just so I hate the regular light. I don't like to have the light on, so I usually turn that case lamp, but it's just like a, it gets really bright, but you can see your, what's it called? Dang. You can see your shadow, and I hate that. So I just got these because it really brings the whole cozy feel. And then with my projector, it's still sitting on my book, but it's the perfect area, guys, because look how big this is. It's like a whole TV. So this room is so much more cozy now. And I'm so excited, y'all. Let me push this back on the wall. I put my hats on the wall too. And I didn't talk about this last time, but yeah, my full tapestry, I got this from Earthbound, and it covers the whole wall. I also got this because I hate the echo, and it takes out the echo. So that's why I put stuff on my wall like this. I hate the echo, so I need stuff on my walls. So yeah, this is my new, I finally did like a full dorm room. Also, in here, I took the hanger to put on here. So this is really just like storage and shoe stuff. So shoes down here, put my light and stuff in here, shoes up there, and just a little stuff in here. So that's all I use that for. So yeah, this is so much better, guys. So much more cozy, so much more comfortable. And there we have it. And now I'm going to be cooking some food in a minute. Y'all, I don't know what I'm going to cook, but I'm about to cook Brainstorm. I've been reading the Black Press. It's really about like Black Negro news back then and how it came about. So hint, hint, I've been getting really inspired. So I really want to start something like this. Would be so cool. Seriously, it's amazing. And then right here, I did do a haul when I got the stuff from Home Goods. This is for my laptop to sit on. But y'all, I don't know what I did, but this goes out too far. I think I stepped on it. I kind of messed it up, but I can still use it, so be okay with that. So yeah, then I just moved the fridge and stuff over here because I think it looked better. It just gives me more room, and I finally got some of the stuff from under the bed. It's just boxes. But yeah, this is it, guys. Like I said, much more cozy. I know I got a lot of stuff in here, but I need everything, so yeah. Okay, guys, so I will be cutting up some potatoes. This is what I'm using, don't judge me. I couldn't find my I couldn't find my cutting board, so I cleaned this off. And this is my laptop board, but it's all going on here. I'm just cutting up some potatoes, and because I just want some vegetables, some potatoes and asparagus. I'm really hungry, but I actually just wanted some kind of not heavy at all. So yeah, about to cut this up. Air fry this. I'm gonna give me some juice, and I'm gonna turn. I kind of want to watch Halloween, but I kind of want to watch Disney Channel. That's So Raven. I'm such a child. Might be watching That's So Raven tonight. I'm only gonna do a half of this because this is a lot of asparagus. But y'all, I've been eating so much asparagus. Like even when I was home, I loved thin asparagus. I don't know when they start selling this, but I just couldn't stop eating. So I'm gonna eat probably this is enough. I'm cutting them, so that's a good amount. That was some potatoes. And I got the potatoes in the air fryer because they're going to cook first. So I'm going to put these back in here, wash these, cut these, prep them for that, and I'm just going to relax, y'all. So guys, I just got to eat and I'm so cozy right now watching Halloween 4. This is my favorite. Like Halloween is my favorite horror movie series, and I can watch it all day. So I'll be watching the first one in a minute after I'm done watching this. So I had a very productive day, guys. I ate, I worked out, I went to class, unfortunately. I put together my chef, I met my friends. I'm just so tired, y'all. So definitely gonna go on and relax for the night and call it a night. And I'm gonna edit my videos. Thank you guys for watching this vlog, and I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. This is so cozy. I love this. Look at the rat, guys. I'm so proud of myself for that. It's a big deal. And also, you need to get your projector if you don't have one, because this is everything.